one important thing to note as you're looking for the bales you're going to use for your garden is that this is a straw bale garden, not a hay bale garden. And so the difference, the hay is very thin and wiry, but the straw is thick and has these tubes in it. Those tubes in the straw is what's going to carry the moisture to your plants. Also, the hay is basically grass. The hay is going to carry with it a lot of grass seeds. If you use hay bales for your garden, it will work, but not nearly as well as straw, and you're going to end up with a lot of grass growing in your garden. But with the straw, your plants will get the moisture that they need, and your garden will be weed-free. So you want to be sure that you're looking for straw bales, not hay bales. And a good place to find straw bales is see if you can find a farmer's co-op in your area, or maybe the local ag extension agent. See if you can find some wheat farmers or oat farmers and ask them, because when they harvest their wheat, they have straw left over as a byproduct of their main crop. And a lot of them will bale the straw from their wheat, and straw bales, if you can get them directly from the farmer, are going to be a lot cheaper than if you get them from the local feed store. You probably can find them at the feed store, but again, you want straw, not hay.